Namaskar. Today I am going to demonstrate how the HVAC system is installed for disinfection of the surfaces where the surfaces are air conditioned by using the HVAC. You can see this is the setup of HVAC here. Where you can see the cooling towers, the fresh air unit and the AHU. In the AHU, it has got, these are the two AHUs which are feeding to the two different areas. These AHUs are always having one is the return path which brings the air from the surface where we are sending the ions. And this air is processed into this AHU, and from this AHU it is chilled and sent it to the conditioned air is sent it to the location or the surfaces where you have to disinfect the surfaces and where you have to chill the area as per the requirement. Same thing you can see in this AHU also. This is the outgoing duct which is sending the chilled air to the surface, and this is a return duct which is bringing the fresh air or the return air to the AHU, and then AHU is processing it and sending the chilled air here. Now you can see the Vironil, the corona killer device or the system for HVAC has been installed here. This has got a different capacity as per the capacity of the AHU. This has been provided with one electrical supply, that is a single phase electrical supply, and it is taking the ions from here, is going here, and you can see the ions are inserted into the duct by putting the proper nozzles into the duct, and now the ions are being inserted here. Likewise, for this AHU also, you can see we are taking the output from the machine in the form of a duct, and it is being inserted here in this duct, and it is taking the ions along with the chilled air. So this AHU which is taking the air inside, chilling it, sending the disinfected air, and with the air many ions are reaching at the surfaces, and it will disinfect the surface by disintegrating the bacteria, fungus, virus at the place wherever the ions will reach along with the air. Now I will show you how the disinfection will be done with the help of false ceiling or the window ACs, where the fresh air start. Now you can see this is the fresh air unit which is taking the fresh air inside and processing this fresh air and sending it to the units which are the false ceiling units which are installed in the premises where we want to send the ions. Now what we have done is that you can see again one Vironil, the corona killer customized built solution is installed here, and you can see it is fed with the single phase AC supply, and it is sending the ions out, and these are also sending to the two locations. One is to this fresh air unit which is feeding to one section, and you can see these ions are brought here and installed here, and they are sending it to the surface. Likewise, another branch of the ions is going here to the another pressure unit. Here in this duct, we have placed the bipolar ions, and these bipolar ions are getting mixed into the two ducts, and then it will go to the separate units which are installed in different locations, and then it will take care of the disinfection of the area by disintegrating the microbes like virus, bacteria, fungus, molds, and it will be completely microbial free area. Thank you.